You know, my English is not perfect. Sometimes my tongue forgets grammar, and my words take wrong turns like a drunk GPS. But when it comes to you, suddenly I want to speak all the languages of love, even if I end up inventing new ones. I may not speak English like a boy, but every time I talk to you, my heart starts writing love poems that make Shakespeare jealous in heaven. My sentences come out confused, my grammar goes on vacations, and sometimes my words sound like they are fighting each other. But still, I hope you understand me. Because when I say I love you, it may sound broken, but it is 100% made in my heart, not translated from Google. Sometimes I mix tenses like I was love you or I will love you, but believe me, I love you in all tenses, past, present, and future continuous. My English teacher may faint if she reads my messages, but at least my heart will get full marks for a fall. So don't fall for my grammar, fall for my sincerity, because even if my English breaks, my love never does. And if one day